Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the constructions of an angle by using only compass and scale and the angular bisectors and the perpendicular bisectors of the line segments. We are discussed in the previous classes. So today we are going to discuss the next, we have to continue this part, the constructions of an angle by using the compass and scale. In that concepts we are discussing the how to construct the 30 degree, 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. So these angles we are constructed by using compass and the scale. So this concepts only we have to continue this. So next one is 135 degree. So how to construct the 135 degree? 135 degree. See, in that 135 degree, first we have to draw the one line segment. Okay, so that is A and this is B, and mark a point on AB, that is P. Okay, so next students, take compass and first we have to construct first 90 degree. Okay, see in 135 degree it having, see students, 90 degree we have to construct it. After that, how many degree we can needed? 45 degrees. See, 90 plus 45 how much become? So this become 5. 9 plus 4 31, 35 degree. So first we have to draw the 90 degree. Then we have to construct the 45 degree. How you are construct the 45 degree? With bisecting the 45 degree. Sorry, 90 degree. If you can bisect the 90 degree, it become 45 degree and it is also 45 degree. So 90 plus 45 how much become? So 135 degree. So we already know it. See, like that you have to draw it. See, first you have to take any radius from this compass and keep on the point P and cut the arc and the same radii. So this one is called as M. You can call it as M. This PB intersect the arc at the point M. Keep on the point M and cut the another arc of the previous arc, that is called as N, and the another arc, that is called as O. Okay, see, now we have to construct first 90 degree. So keep on the point P. If you want means you have to extend this. So keep on the point P and cut the arc and keep on the point N and cut the again for the previous arc. So one more time I will cut it. Okay, see, this point we have to join the point P. Take a scale and join the point P. Yes. Now it is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, correct? 90, this is also 90. Now students, this 90 we have to construct bisect the 90 degree. We have to bisect it. We know already how to bisect the angles. How? Very simple. So this already I draw the arc. Okay. Yes, this arc already draw it. See students, this arc is intersect PB and this is I am called as Q. PB and PQ. PB intersect M is intersect at PB intersect M and PQ intersect at this point of, I will call it as K. You can do any one. Okay. Keep on the point M. Take any radius. I will bisect the angle QPB. Bisect it. So keep on the point M. I will cut the one of arc and keep on the point K and cut the previous arc. So now we have to join this arc. So this arc is intersect one point So this intersection point you have to join to P. Join to P. Okay. Now this is 90. So this is become 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. 45 degree. Sorry. This is 45 degree. This is also 45 degree. Is it right? Now AP. This one I will call it as X. Otherwise C. Anyone have to give it. Now APC is an 135 degree because this is 90, this is 45. So 90 plus 45, it become 135 degree. I understood. So now you have to check the protector. So keep on the point P. Yes. Yes. This is 130, this is 135. Okay. So this is the line is 135, 130 and 140. In between the line is called as 135 degrees there. Are you understood? So like this you have to construct the 135 degree. And also, so do you know that can you understood the how to construct the 45 degree? So first you have to draw the 90 degree and bisect it, you can get the 45 degree. Okay. Next, if you want 22 degree, so 22 and half, not 22, 22 and half. So how to construct the 22 and half degree? First you have to construct the 90 degree and bisect the 90 degree, it become 45 degree. Again bisect the 45 degree. Keep on the point M and this point you have to cut the arc and join it. So this angle is become 22 and half degree. If you want this, you have to try it in your home. Okay, you can construct the 22 and half degree. Are you understood the how to construct the 135 degree? Now you have to go to the 105 degree. So how to construct 105 degree? So think it. So very simple, students. First we have to construct the 120 degree. So 120 degree you have to construct it. Okay. So by I want only 105 degree. So less 15 degree you have to less it. See, this is 90 degree. Is it right? This is 90 degree. You have to construct first 90 degree and 120 degree. So 120 and 90 in between this angle you have to bisect it. Then it will become 105 degree. Because of this is 30 degree. This is 90. So this part is 30. So if you are bisecting the 30, it will become 15. 15 plus 90, how much become? 105 degree. Is it right? So like this you have to construct it. First you have to draw the one of the line segment or line. Okay, draw one of the line. This is X and Y. Okay, then we have to take the compass and draw a. So keep on the point. Anyone have to keep on the point XY. That is O. So take any radius from the compass and cut the arc. Now we have to keep on this point. We have to cut the same arc and keep on this point, this arc, and cut the other arc. See, if you are joining these angles, it becomes 60 degree. If you are joining this point, it becomes 120 degree. Okay, but I want 105 degree. See, I am joining the 120 degree. You have to join it in a dotted line. You have to join it. You don't join in a line form. You have to join in a dotted line. See, this is 120 degree. So now we have to construct 90 degree. How to construct it? So how you are constructing 90 degree? Very simple. Keep on this point. Okay. Cut the arc. So this point is A and this point is B and this point is C. Keep on the point C, cut the one arc, and keep on the point B, cut the another arc. Now this point, this arc intersect a single point. Intersection point you have to join in a dotted line. This is become 90 degree. This is become 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. This is 120 degree. So this 90 and this is how much? So this is 90. This is 30. 30 plus this is 90. This is 30. So if you are bisect the 30, we can get that how much degree? 15 degree. I want 15 degree only because already 90 already I got it. So remaining 15 degree I want. So 90 plus 15 how much degree? 105 degree. That's why. Now we have to bisect this angle. Okay. This one I will give as M and N. I will give as M and N. So angle MON is become 30 degree. Angle NOY is angle 90 degree. So already 90 degree have to keep like that only. But MON angle is there now. That angle you have to bisect it. So how you have to bisect? So this already cut the arc. This arc is cut the point C and this point is D. You can give it as D. So keep on the point, take any radius, keep on the point C and cut the one of the arc and keep on the point D, cut the another arc. So this arc is intersecting this point. So that point you have to join it. Joining a full form line. Okay. So this is called as this is K. We get K. See, KOY is become how much degree? 105 degree because this is 90 and this is 15. This is also 15. So this is 30. Is it right? This angle is 30. So if I bisecting the 30, the each angle become 15 degree. This is 90 degree. 90 plus 15, how much degree? 105 degree. This is 105 degree. Angle KOY is 105 degree. Understood? So here angle APC is 135 degree. You have to mark it. Okay? Are you understood how to construct the angle 105 degree and 135 degree? So next I will go to the 150 degree. This is very simple, students. 150 degree. First you have to draw the one of the line. Next keep on the point on, this is M and this is N. Keep on the point O, C. Next I will take the compass, I will take the compass. First in the 150 degree, see students, first you have to draw one of the line. So then you have to, this is 120 degree, correct? I want, this is 60, this is also 60 and this is also 60, correct? So this is 60 plus 60, 120, 120 plus 60, 180. But I want only after 120, how much degree is needed? 30 degree. That's why we have to bisect the 60 degree. This is 30 degree. 60, 60, 30 become how much degree? 150 degree. That's why I will construct first 120 degree. See, take any arc from the compass, radius, and cut the arc, and this arc is intersect ON at the point A, and keep on the point A, cut the arc that is called as B, and keep on the point B and cut the same arc at the point C, and keep on the point C and cut the D. Okay, this is C, this is D. So if you are joining O to B, it becomes 60 degree. Is it right? If you are joining O to B, it becomes 60 degree. O to C, it becomes 120 degree. O to D is become 180 degree. Now I will joining the OC in a dotted line. But I want 150 degree. I don't want 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. Is it right? This is 120 degree. This is 60 degree. but I want only remaining 30 degree I needed. That 60 degree we have to bisect it, then we can get the 30 degree, then you have to join this, it's become a 150 degree. Now you have to bisect this angle, so take any suitable radius, so keep on the point D and cut the one of the arc, and keep on the point C and cut the other arc, so that intersection point we have to join it. See, I am joining the O and N, intersection point of the arcs. Yes, so this is that is called as what I will call it as X O N. This is what 150 degree, because this is 120 degree, this each angle is 30 degree. So 120 plus 30 how much become 150 degree. Yes, okay, therefore triangle XON, angle XON is equal to 150 degree. I understood how to construct the 150 degree. Yes, and 75 degree you only do it. I will show now. I will give the hint for this 75 degree. Very simple, students. First you have to construct the 150 degree. Are you understand the 150 degree? How to construct 150 degree? Yes, first you have to construct the 150 degree. So keep on this point O and cut the one of the arc using the compass. So you keep on this point. I will keep on this point. You have to construct it and have to cut the one of the arc and join it. So first of all, what we have to do, this XON, this angle is become 150 degrees there. This XON angles we have to bisect it. We already know it how to bisect the angles. First keep on the point O and cut the one of the arc. You can take any suitable radius, cut up one of the arc. Otherwise you have to see it. This one you have to do it. This one. Keep this already. I will draw the arc of the from the point O. That's why keep on this point D. Is there no this point? So keep on this point. The compass keep on this point and cut the arc, and cut the A point is also cut the arc and join this. So this line is become each angle, each part is become 75 degree. So you have to do it in your home. Okay, students? Yes. So like this you have to construct an angle by using compass and scale. Okay. Next. So which are angles we are constructed at? So first one is 60 degree, then 30 degree, and then 90 degree, and then 120 degree, 150 degree, 105 degree, 135 degree, and then 75 degree. So these angles by using a what? Compass and scale. Dear students, I am asking one questions. See, do you construct a 37.5 degree by using scale and compass? 37.5 degree na compass ಮತ್ತು scale na use ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು construct ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes, it is possible. How? Because say very simple, 75 degrees there, no? 75 degree how to construct it. So after that 75 degree again you have to bisect it. So like this 150 degree, first you have to draw it. After 150 degree you have to bisect it. It becomes 75 degree. Again bisect the 75 degree. It becomes 37.5 degree. That 37.5 degree is constructed by using compass and scale. Dear students, every questions, every angles, it cannot be construct by using scale and compass. Some one only we have to construct it. Okay, students? Yes. So next, students, the next concept, construction of a triangle. So in this exercise problems is there related to this compass. By using compass and scale you have to do it in a home. So I will go to the question, next concept, constructions of a triangle, case number 1. So this is the last year also we have learned the constructions of triangle by using different cases. Here also 3 cases are there. So first case is to construct a triangle given its base and base angle. Base ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ one side ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ and base angle ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Then sum of the other two sides, sum of the other two angles, not two sides. Okay, other two sides ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. So how to construct this case? See, very simple. I will take one of the example. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 7 cm. This is a base line, base side, and angle B is 7, base angle, and other two sides, the sum is given. Other two sides, what is that? AB and AC. The sum of the other two sides is 13 centimeter. This concept, these kinds of problems we are already constructed in 8th standard. Remember it. Okay. See, first of all, I will draw the one of the baseline. How much centimeter? 7 centimeter is there. I will construct it here. Yes. Yes, this is 7 centimeter. Okay. BC is a line segment of the line of the length 7 centimeter. Now, what is the next one? Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is 7 centimeter, angle B 75 degree. Using a protractor and keep on the point B, and construct a 75 degree. So from 10 here inside I have to count it 70. This is 75 degree. Okay. Now we have to join this point to the point B. Okay. So extend it up to X. Okay. Now angle B over 75 degree, and AB plus AC, how much degree? How much centimeter is that? 13 centimeter. So this 13 centimeter length we have to measure in a BX line. Okay. See. 13 centimeter we have to use it. So mark it, this is 13 centimeter. So this point we call it as D. Cut the BD is 13 centimeter. Cut the sum of AB and AC is 13 centimeter. That 13 centimeter I will cut on the BX line segment. Okay. The 13 centimeter is come to this point, that is called as D. Therefore, BD cut on BX line segment. Therefore, that is called as 13 centimeter. Now, see, this is 7 centimeter. I want triangle ABC. I want construct a triangle ABC, but it is not an ABC. This is BC only. I will draw it. Now you have to join this D and C. It become ADC. BDC. This is. It is not ABC. This is BDC triangle. I want what? ABC. I want. What next step? Are you understand these steps? First, what we have to do it? First, we have to construct the draw a base of the side, that is 7 centimeter, and the base angle they are given, that is how much degree? This is 75 degree. By using a protractor, I will construct it and keep on the point B to construct the 75 degree and join these lines up to BX. So cut the BD. Next one, AB plus AC, how much centimeter is that? 13 centimeter. That 13 centimeter I will cut on the BX. That point we call it as D. Next, join D and C. So next, students, this DC line segment is there, no? That side we have to bisect it. We know already how to bisect the line segment. We have learned in the previous classes. This line segment you have to take the more than half line segment from the compass. Yes, more than half. ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಸಾಕು, ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ. See, cut the one of the arc and cut the another arc, keep on the point D and keep on the C. Cut the one of the arc and again come this point, cut one of the arc and here also cut the arc. Okay, so now these two intersections arcs, this point we have to join it by using a scale. using a scale. See this line, this perpendicular line or bisector lines, it intersect the BD at A point ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So BD ನ DC ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ, bisect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Bisect ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ what is this, we call it as this line segment we call it as P and Q. So PQ is a perpendicular bisector of DC. This PQ line or line segment, PQ lines are intersect the BD at A. A ನಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ BD ನ A ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ intersect ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Next join A ಮತ್ತೆ C. Join A and C. Now therefore triangle ABC is a required triangle. Okay, see if you are adding AB and AC, it become 13 centimeter. It become, so can you measure it in your scale? You have to measure it. So here I am taking 12 centimeter. 12 means 4 centimeter, and this is 7 plus 6. How much degree? 7 plus 6, 13 centimeter. Okay, so if you are measuring AB and AC, that sum of these two length of the sides, it become 13 centimeter. ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು. AB ಮತ್ತೆ AC ನ ನೀವು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 13 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಅಥವಾ 13.1, 13.2, it's okay, no problem. 12.9, it's also okay. One point is exception, but more than one point, it is wrong. It is become error. Okay, be careful. You have to practice in your home these kinds of problems. So in these problems, I will take the one examples in your exercise. So second one is there in this exercise. You have to solve in your home. Okay, you have to practice it. These questions only you have to practice it. Okay, students. In the remaining two cases is there. So remaining two cases we have to discuss in the next classes. Are you understand? Thank you.